Hello and welcome to AlgoFruit. In this video, we will learn about how to set up the AlgoFruit account. After successful login, you will see this dashboard, and below here you will see no active subscription currently. Also, you have section My Deployed Strategies. When the strategies will be deployed, you will see those strategies here. As of now, you don't have any strategy, then you need to click on Browse Strategy Templates, where you can configure the different strategies as per your profile. Take this survey. It will help you to identify which strategy is more suitable for you. Okay, let's go and take a look at view subscription plans, because without subscribing to subscription plan, you cannot deploy the strategy. So let's take a look at view subscription plans. So here we have a free trial, basic automation, pro trader and elite trader. So these prices may change in future, but I want to tell you main difference here. The free trial, it comes with a desktop app. With this free trial, you do not get a dedicated server or a static IP. This is the basic one which you can try paper trade, and when you are confident enough, then you can also do it live trade from your free trial desktop app with one lot. And if you feel super confident that you are ready to go with basic automation or pro trader or elite trader, you can upgrade the subscription anytime. Let's go with the free trial first. So there you go. Your free trial is now activated. Let's explore template. Here you have different template based on your trading taste. Intraday swing, scalping, momentum and options. Also you can see by clicking on view details about the strategy, its past performance, backtest performance. Also you can look at reviews, and if you feel like going ahead with this, you can click on configure and backtest. Similarly, there are different other FNO rush which captures the momentum, buy trade, sell tomorrow. This is another variant of BTST. This is pullback strategy and EMAC 5 template. So in this setup, I will help you configure FNO rush. Let's click on view details. You can see the backtest snapshot, forward test snapshot. And if you feel like going ahead, you can click on configure and backtest. You can give the name of your strategy. You can give any name. My FNO rush. In the free version, we do not allow to change any settings apart from live trading or paper trade. Rest other settings stays. Also here we have instrument rotation, where you can rotate the instrument. Like on Monday you want to trade Nifty or Sensex, so you can change here. Once you are good with the configuration, you can click on backtest. Backtest will help you identify the result, and these results are in points. These are Nifty points. This is the win rate, and all these stats are based on the Nifty index. So if you feel everything is good, you can click on save and deploy configuration. Okay, it says you are on free plan, so you need to go with desktop app. You can see in the deployed strategies, your FNO rush is deployed here. You can look at the details, your configuration details, by clicking on log. You will be able to see log. Currently, we do not have any log as it is freshly set up. Next thing what you can do is You need to go to dashboard, and here from the download app, click on download for Windows if you are using Windows. Else you can click on download for Mac if you are using Mac. So once you have installed the AlgoFruit desktop app, after logging into it, you will see this dashboard. Upon login, you need to go to broker configuration. In active strategy section, you will see your subscribe strategies here. You can also change the setting if you are on elevated plans. If not, if you are on free plan, then you won't be able to change it. It will just show your details. You can change the live trading or paper trading on and off. Accordingly, you can change according to your plan. You can change your configuration and you can click on save. In broker setting, what you need to do is, as of now, we have Zerodha, Angel One, and then configured. You need to follow some guidelines as per the broker. Different broker have different guidelines to set up the APIs. For Zerodha, here we have some fields where we need to put API key, API secret, client ID, password, TOTP secret, and access token, just in case if you already have. If you don't have, you can keep this blank, and don't forget to click on this checkbox enable. You can click on test connection and save configuration. Similarly with Angel One, done. In done, you do not need to fill all of these. You just need to fill client ID. In case of done, just fill the client ID and the access token generated from your profile on done web. Click on test connection and save configuration. It will take you out to the dashboard. Once you are in dashboard, you will see, first of all, it will be showing running. Your live market ticker will be connected. Signal server will be connected. Trading status will be connected. This means it's ready for the execution of your trades. So based on your active strategy and its configuration, you will receive the signal trade whenever it is generated by your configured algorithm, and it will directly be executed on your broker account, and active positions and P&L will be displayed here. One thing to note, AlgoFruit doesn't store any of your credentials which you just saved in broker configuration. It is stored on your desktop locally. If you uninstall this desktop bot, the credentials will also be cleared. This was the setup for AlgoFruit desktop bot, and if you are using the elevated plans, then you don't need to set up the desktop bot. The server will be set up automatically. You don't need to do anything. So for subscription plan users, what you need to do is you need to come to profile, complete your profile, your phone, email, if anything is blank. Also set up the Telegram chat ID. This is also required for the desktop bot users to complete the profile. And then you need to go to settings where you can set up the brokers by clicking on add broker. Select the broker from drop down and complete all the details and save. Test and save. This way you will be setting up your broker account, and remember, when you are saving your credentials, all the details are encryptedly sent to the dedicated server which is set up for you. We are unable to read any of your credentials. Once broker setup is done, you are good to go. You can monitor your trades from the dashboard. Also, desktop users or plan users, you can always come to dashboard here and can look at the market, whether it is bearish, whether it is bullish, or currently it is trading in a zone. Also, there is AI market prediction, which is calculated around 9:30 a.m. in the morning, where AI tries to predict the market based on the data available and the predefined calculations. You can use this data for your manual trading if you do. If you have any questions or need support, please reach out to our support team on WhatsApp message. Thank you and happy algo trading.